Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to get the updates of the upcoming videos. In today's video, we are going to talk about messaging integration and like adding the chatter to our custom module and also adding the activities tracking in our custom module. So as you know that we are working on our custom module which is Open Academy, and we have the model which is Open Academy.course. So for this model we need to add the tracking and messaging feature, same like we can see on the sales order. So you can see on the right side we can add message, we can send messages, log notes, and also schedule activities. So the same thing we want to add for our custom module, which is courses. So here we can, like Odoo provides some features, some models and functions for this. So we just need to inherit two models, which is mail.thread, which is responsible for sending the messages and adding the log notes and also tracking the fields, and the other is for mail.activity.mixin, which means to add the feature of tracking activities. So first of all, we will just check the fields of this model. Let me just go to settings and then technical, and then just scroll down to go to the models here, and let me search for this model which is Open Academy. So let me open it. So here you can see these are the fields that has been added. So some of the fields that we added, but some of the fields that has been added by default when a model is being created. So when we inherit the two models, like let me add inherit. Here we need to add mail.thread, and let me just save it and restart Odoo service, and then we need to upgrade this module. Okay, so open a new, go to apps. Okay, so we are getting an error. So let me see. So it says that OpenAcademy.course inherits from a model, non-existing model, which is mail.thread. So we have inherited the model. You need to keep in mind that whatever model you want to inherit, you need to add it the module in the dependency. So this model is defined in the mail module. So you need to add the module name in the depends in manifest file. So first of all, we need to add mail module here. Let me remove this start and then restart Odoo service again. Okay, and then go to apps and then upgrade the module. So the module has been upgraded. So let me refresh this page to see if there any further fields has been added. So let me check. So you can see that a lot of fields has been added to this model, which is like message attachment count, message follower IDs. So messages is follower. So these are the different fields that has been added automatically when we inherited this model, like mail.thread. So this means that when we inherit a model, it all the fields of that model are accessible for this model. Okay, so we can access all the fields of this model here in this. So then we need to add these fields on the form view. So we need to go to the XML code, like views, and here we need to add it for the OpenAcademy.course. We need to add a div class is equal to OE chatter. And then here we need to add a field, like field name is equal to message follower IDs, and here we need to add the widget with the name mail followers. Okay, and let me duplicate the same thing. We need to add another field which is message IDs, and the widget is mail thread. Okay, like this. And then let me upgrade the module, as we have already uh, restarted the Odoo service when we inherited the module. So let me just upgrade the module and let's see. So the module has been upgraded. Let me go to the Open Academy and then go to this open it. So here you can see on the right side we have send message and log notes fields. So we can add log notes and we can send messages, and also the email will be sent out in this case if the outgoing mail server is configured. But we need to now we can add tracking, like if any of these field values are updated. For example, if we change the responsible and save it, so it does not show up in the chatter. So for this purpose we need to add tracking, like for example if we add here for the date, tracking is equal to true, and the same way we can add tracking for responsible and state also, like this. So whatever field you want, you can add this tracking true, and then you need to restart Odoo service. Okay, so after the service restart, let me refresh this page. So now let me just change the responsible. If I change it and then save it, so you can see it that the changes are now appear in the messages. If I change the date, it will just also appear here like this, you can see. So this is how you can add the chatter, and now we need to add the activity. So for adding the activity, you just need to inherit the model, which is mail dot activity dot medicine. Okay, so it will also add up some more extra field and some more functions in this model, which we will discuss, like the function we will discuss in the later videos. But here just this video is just about adding the feature of messaging and activity. And then we need to add a field in the view. So we have added these two fields, and then we need to add another field which is activity IDs. So let me just duplicate this. We will add activity IDs, and the widget will be mail activity. So as this model, which is mail.activity.mixin, is also defined in the mail module, which we have already added in the depends. So we don't need to add any other module in the depends. So we just need to restart Odoo service, and then we need to upgrade the module, and then click the upgrade button to upgrade the module. Okay, so the module is upgraded, and let me see if the activity has been added or not. So here you can see that the activity has been added. If we click here, you can create activities, and you can add the history and just schedule the activity. So this is how you can add the activity and log messaging feature, and also the following feature. So you can add followers here. If you add it, so if someone sent a message, this message will be sent to all these followers. So this is it for this video. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss about some of the methods, some of the functions that is provided by the mail.thread and mail.activity.mixin. So this is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. Thank you.